You're using AI the wrong way.
Everyone is talking about ChatGPT, but nobody is talking about this AI side hustle that can actually make you money, even if you have zero skills. This is not content writing, not dropshipping, and not YouTube automation. This is something way easier, and almost no one is doing it right now. Right now, thousands of small businesses don't have a proper website. Gyms, salons, local shops, even freelancers. And here's the crazy part, they are willing to pay someone to create it. Now, instead of learning coding, you can use AI tools like Durable AI or 10Web. These tools can create a full professional website in less than 30 seconds. Yes, literally 30 seconds. Here's exactly what you need to do. Step 1. Go to Durable AI and generate a website for a niche like a gym or a cafe. Step 2. Edit the text a little, change the name and add some images. Step 3. Or create a demo link. Take screenshots. Or Step 4. Go to Fiverr or Instagram and offer this service. People are charging $50, $100, even $200 for this, and businesses are paying because they don't know how to do it themselves. You don't need experience. You don't need coding. You just need to take action. If you have a phone and internet, you can start this today. Follow for more real ways to make money online.